we are in Matobo. Oh yeah. So we are lost. Easy to get lost out here. Time to backtrack again. At last, we have made contact. We got lost, my friend. Just this one, all the way. All the way. Okay, so in Africa, if you're lost, and you find a local and they tell you it's 10 minutes away, it's another 10 kind of 10 minutes. It's far. Everything's 10 minutes away. So when you hear 10 minutes away, it's not 10 minutes away. I think 10 minutes out here in the wilderness, it's different. I think it's timeless. It's different to us in town. In town, 10 minutes is like, it's there, or in the cities, it's there. But now, like, when you ask a local, I've been thinking about this, 10 minutes still. For the locals, yeah, 10 minutes is, what is 10 minutes? It's nothing, it's timeless. So yeah, warning, if they tell you it's 10 minutes away, prepare yourself. But I actually hear water. I think we're almost there. Thunder.